7 Best Side Hustles That Can Make $100 Plus Per Day, Part 2. Still scrolling the internet like it's an Olympic sport? Don't worry, we're not here to call you out. We're only here to upgrade your hustle. In Part 2 of this series, we're showing you how to make $100 plus a day while you scroll, swipe, and maybe even laugh at memes. Let's kick things off with a hustle that's perfect for anyone with a bit of creativity. 1. Freelance video editing. You know those cool TikTok, YouTube videos, or Instagram reels everyone's obsessed with? Yep, you could be the one making them. Here's the deal. Businesses and influencers need editors like they need coffee. You don't need a degree in film to do this. Start with free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Simple edits like trimming, adding captions, and background music can easily be a $100 gig. To get started, sign up on Fiverr or Upwork and create a profile that shows off your skills, even if it's just one example like a birthday video you edited. Offer fast turnaround and simple edits for a quick $50 to $100 per project. You can do 2 to 3 jobs a day. Pro tip, people love captions and snappy music. Make those your signature. Not a fan of editing? Don't sweat it. We've got something else in store for you that's 100% beginner-friendly. 2. Selling print-on-demand products. Got a quirky design or a funny saying stuck in your head? Well, get it on a t-shirt, mug, or tote bag and let the sales roll in. You don't even need to hold any inventory. Just create, upload, and let the website do the rest. It's like running your own mini merch shop without dealing with shipping or returns. All you need is a creative idea and a little marketing. How to make $100 a day. Sign up for Printify or Redbubble and start creating designs with Canva. And yes, it's free. Upload your creations and set your price. You make money every time someone buys your design. Promote your designs on Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. One viral post and you could rack up $100 in one day. If graphic design isn't your thing, hold tight. This next hustle is for you if you can just snap a pic of something you see every day. 3. Stock photography, sell your snaps. Ever looked at a photo of a latte and thought, I could totally make money with this? Well, now you can. Stock photography is your chance to make money off those perfectly captured moments, like sunsets, coffee cups, and even your pet's adorable face. Don't worry if you don't have a fancy camera. Your phone is good enough for stock websites. Let's get you started. Sign up on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and start uploading your high-quality photos. Think about what's popular: food, travel, people working, or even simple objects like pens and notebooks. After uploading, every download of your photo rushes money in your pocket. Upload 50 to 100 photos and you could be earning daily. Now, if you're like, yeah, I've got the photos, but I don't want to deal with the hassle, stick with me. Next up is the easiest hustle yet. 4th, tutoring or teaching online. Got some knowledge to share? Whether it's math, English, or even guitar, teaching online is a goldmine. People are always looking to learn, and you can teach them from the comfort of your couch. What's even better, you don't need a teaching degree, just passion and expertise in a subject. To get started, sign up for VeepKid, Preply, or even offer your services on social media. Set your rate. Most people start at $15 to $25 per hour. Do a couple of hour-long sessions or create your own course on Teachable or Udemy. Next thing, and you are making $100 or more in a day. But if you're not into teaching, hold on tight. Next is something that involves zero talking to people. 5. Flipping items. You can buy low and sell high. You don't need a fancy business to make money. You just need an eye for bargains. Thrift stores, yard sales, and even clearance racks at big box stores are full of hidden treasures that can make you cash. You'll be shocked at what's worth money when you flip it online. To get started, go on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Craigslist and buy items like electronics, clothing, or furniture for cheap. Clean them up, Maybe fix a few things and sell them for a profit. Tip: find items with good demand, like brand name sneakers, vintage toys, or used electronics. Flipping isn't for everyone? Don't worry. Next up is a hustle that's completely online and doesn't require a single physical product. 6. Virtual assistant. Organize and earn. You know all those emails, calendars, and tasks that people can't seem to keep up with? Guess what? You can get paid to help them stay organized. Being a virtual assistant is like being a superhero of productivity. You swoop in, save the day, and get paid. No cape is required. To get started, sign up for platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or look for VA job boards. Offer services like scheduling, inbox management, or social media posting. Charge $20 to $50 per hour, complete 2 to 3 tasks, and you've hit $100 easily. If you're not big on being someone's assistant, the next side hustle is for you. No boss, no meetings, and best of all, no people to talk to. 7. Affiliate marketing. Make money while you sleep. This is the hustle of dreams. No product to sell, no customer service. Just recommend stuff you already love and get paid when people buy through your link. It's like being a professional shopper, but you get paid for it. Trust me, people are making thousands a month doing this, and you can too. To get started, sign up for Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or other affiliate programs. Share product links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Promote products you genuinely like. Honesty sells. If you drive sales, you earn a commission. It's that simple. And that's a wrap on today's hustles. But hey, you know I'm not leaving you hanging. Part 3 is coming with even more ways to level up your income. Stay tuned. So there you have it. 7 side hustles that could bring in $100 plus a day. Whether you're editing videos, selling prints, or even flipping stuff, there's something here for everyone. Remember, none of these require a ton of startup cash, and most can be done in your spare time. So which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you will be the first person to get notified for part 3. See you.